This recipe is pakora, which are chickpea fritters. I love chickpea flour. So a little bit of water, some cumin powder, some chopped fresh coriander. I love coriander, so I'm gonna put a little more. Some coriander powder, chaat masala, and this gives it a little bit of that sour hit. Some salt, and some red chili powder. So that's basically your batter. You want a nice consistency. Just mix it until all the lumps are gone and you have a nice even batter. This is a little thicker than a regular batter because you want it to really stick on the vegetables. I have my mixed vegetables and I'm just gonna dip them into the batter and make my pakora. And what's great about mustard oil, it has a really high smoking point, so I can fry these up and they'll become nice and golden and crisp. Got my cauliflower, and you can really use any type of vegetable. I have my mushrooms, some onions, right into the hot mustard oil. You can really smell that mustard fragrance. You want them nice and golden. And now in go my cauliflower and my mushrooms. Now, when you put your pakora in the oil, don't touch it. Just let it fry. You don't want to disturb it, otherwise it starts breaking up the batter. So right when it comes out of the fryer, I'm gonna add a little bit of a chaat masala. Chaat masala is a bit of pounded cumin seed, mango powder, and some salt and black pepper. And just fry up these green chilies. Before I fry them up, I'm just gonna slice them in half and put some flavoring right in. Into the fryer. I have raw potatoes here. Now I have these spinach leaves, and this cooks very quickly because it's just spinach after all. And some chaat masala right on our spinach pakora. And there you have it, mixed vegetable pakora, an Indian street food classic. Que bueno.